is us going to the car.
Right. He's recording
To the car.
moment. He's recording the moment.
To the car. The car. Bumblebee.
Penelope.
Penelope.
Oh, it's so nice outside.
It really is.
Hot.
Yes, that's his car. Yes, that's it right there. No, I'm joking. Be like, that's it right here. You see that? You see that? You see that horse?
Blake just makes with this in the sun.
See that horse? You got school spirit. Joe, you got school spirit?
I'm all like paranoid, like did anyone not too much on up? You guys talk too much about that. Maybe. I don't know.
Right there.
They're gonna detail it. Don't scrape it.
I'll take it off.
I key it.
Yeah, the interior is done. You hear pearl.
Awesome.
Right after the door.
Huh? Yeah, as long as yeah.
Look at that. At least you can see it. You can see it.
Open the hood,
No.
please.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
I have to go to this meeting.
No, you don't.
Quickly.
It's right there. It's like
Hold
really
on,
quick.
just-
It's really
No.
quick. It's really
Please
quick.
don't.
Oh, come on. All right, I'm not gonna mess with your car.
Ready?
Hold on.
You gonna record that sound?
Do it. Oh! Get that. Rev it. Look at that. Get him driving it.
That was
Get him.
stupid, isn't it? That's a little too stupid.
No, it's not.
That was nice.
Pop the hood. For 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
I gotta go.
There we go.
I gotta go. He pops the head.
Put it up. Put it up.
Hmm?
Put it up.
Where is this thing?
Right here.
No, we don't have time for that, do we?
Sure we do.
Here, I'll just hold it.
All right.
Stop. Just stop. It's nice, isn't it?
Really nice.
Oh,
She's a
man.
beauty.
It's got a little extra on it.
Yeah, I see that.
Oof.
Got a boss.
I actually think, yeah, I think I could,
That was-
I would definitely